this video, I'll show you how to create Bitlinks for new Google Drive files with Bitly automatically. So the idea here is whenever any new file is uploaded into your Google Drive folder, the same file link will be created as a Bitlink, or you can say the same file link will be shortened automatically using this Bitly software. So if you also want to automate this process, come with me and I will show you how you can set this automation for yourself step by step. So in order to automate this process, firstly I'll have to integrate Google Drive and Bitlink, and I'm going to do that with the Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. I am already logged in into Pabbly Connect's dashboard. This is the dashboard. How you can reach here, you'll have to type this pabbly.com/connect and sign up for free, and you will also get free task in the free account every month in order to test such kinds of amazing automation. Now after reaching here, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I'm providing this particular name, that is when file is uploaded in Drive, automatically create a short link. Okay, now click on create, and after that you will find two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, then send an email via Gmail application automatically. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any new file is uploaded into the Google Drive application, I'm sorry for that, then automatically create a Bitlink using this Bitly software. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in this trigger and action application. Okay, and this is how you can automate this process. Now I'm going to connect this Google Drive with the Pabbly Connect, and I want that whenever any new file is uploaded into a specific Google Drive folder, this automation should trigger. So that is why I'm selecting this trigger event. Now I'm going to connect my Google Drive with the Pabbly Connect. For that, you'll have to select this add a new connection, and by clicking on this sign in with Google, you will have to provide the access of your Google Drive account in which you are about to upload your files. Well, I have already made the connection, so I'm going with the existing connections only. Okay, but if you are building this automation for the first time, you'll have to go with the new connections only. All right, here you can see, since we are connected, all the folders and subfolders are visible here, and I am going to select which particular folder. Okay, so I'm going to upload my files in this all latest files and designs. Okay, the same folder has been selected already. Okay, let me click on this button save and send test request, and a blank response is received because currently I do not have any data inside this particular folder. Okay, so I'm going to upload a new file in front of you, and you will see how the details of that file will be captured via Pabbly Connect as soon as I'm going to upload a new file. All right, so let me first upload any random file here. Alright, I have selected the file and the file uploading is finished. Now coming back to Pabbly Connect, and let me click on this button save and send test request once again, and here you can see after the file upload how the response has been received. Okay, so let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the web content link, and it is actually the downloadable link of the very same file. We even have other details. Alright, we have the drive permission, we even have the title of the very same file. Okay, and let me show you, we have the alternate link. Basically it is a view link, and the very first link was the downloadable link. Okay, so now we have all the data, and the presence of this data clearly shows that the first step of our automation, which was connecting Google Drive and Pabbly Connect, is working absolutely fine. And let me tell you very important thing here, if you want this link, this file to be downloadable or to be accessible from any other places, in that case you will have to make sure that your Google Drive folder permission should be shared with anyone. Okay, so let me show you. Currently I have the permission as the anyone with the link. Just in case if you will keep it as the restricted, in that case that file will not be accessible to anyone. Okay, so make sure it should be anyone with the link. Okay, coming back to Pabbly Connect, and the first step is done. Now moving further, I'm going to connect this Bitly with the Pabbly Connect, just like we have connected our Google Drive with the Pabbly Connect, and then we are are going to create a Bitlink, all right, you'll have to click on this add a new connection, click on connect with the Bitly, and it will simply ask me the access. Okay, basically I'm already logged in into my Bitly account, so it is not asking me the access, it is asking me for the permission. Here you can see the authorization is successful and the Bitly account is connected with the Pabbly Connect. The very first thing it is asking to select the group. Okay, so I'm going to keep this Pabbly because I just have a single group into my Bitly account. And now it is asking for the long URL which you would like to shorten. Okay, so I don't need to manually provide this long URL. Okay, I am going to map this URL. Okay, so here you can see I have this link and I would like to shorten this link. I would like to create a Bitlink of this particular link. So how I can map this URL, let me show you. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down, and you just need to select that particular link, and this is how your URL will be mapped. Okay, I will be also providing the title with the help of above data only. So let me click on this particular field, and remember we have also received the name of the file. So I am going to map the name of the file, the very same name. Lastly, it is asking for the domain. So how about I directly copy the same domain and paste it here. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping? So whatever the details you will map here will replace automatically when this automation will work in real time. So what will happen next time? Next time a new file will be uploaded here. So Pabbly Connect firstly will capture that data here inside Pabbly Connect's dashboard in every 10 minutes. Why in every 10 minutes? Because the trigger of your Google Drive folder here is the polling based, which will capture the data in every 10 minutes. Then that new data will replace these existing values, basically this link and this name. Okay, so this is how this automation is going to take place. Now I am going to click on this button save and send test request, and this is how a Bitlink will be created automatically. So here you can see we have the ID, we have the very same link. If I will open this link, the very same file will be opened up automatically. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, and just in case if you want to save this particular link into somewhere or maybe into your spreadsheet, you can also do the same. Simply click on this plus icon, and here you will have to search for the Google Sheets application, alright, and then you'll have to connect this Google Sheet with the Pabbly Connect. But before that, choose this action event as the add a new row. Simply click on connect, click on add a new connection, and again you'll have to provide the access. I will go with the existing connection only, clicking on save, and this is how the sheet will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now whatever the sheets are available inside my Google Drive account, inside my sheet account, have started visible here. So I'm going to select a specific sheet. Alright, so I have created a sheet with the name all Google Drive file links short URL. So let me first click on this refresh button so that this new Google Sheets will be available here, and then I'm going to select the very same Google Sheet. And here you can see the very same spreadsheet is available at the top only, and in this sheet I just have a single sheet, that is sheet 1. So that is why I'm going to select here the sheet 1 only. Now it is asking for the file name, the long URL, the Bitlink, or the short URL. So basically these are exactly the same columns which I have added inside my spreadsheet. Here you can see I have added 3 columns, and the very same columns are visible here. I just need to provide the data here, and this is how the details will be collected automatically. Okay, so again I'm going to map the data one by one. So firstly it is asking for the file name, so I will be providing the file name either from this particular section or from this Google Drive response also. Okay, so how about I provide the file name from here only. Secondly, it is asking for the long URL, so again I will be providing the long URL from here. Now it is asking for our final short URL, that is the Bitlink. So click on this particular link, and I am going to provide the short URL from here. Okay, clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will see how the very same data will be collected into our spreadsheet automatically. Okay, so here we have the file name. Okay, let me correct the formatting of this particular spreadsheet. All right, I think now everything is looking good. Okay, so here we have the file name, here we have the long URL, and here we also have the short URL. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time you are going to upload any new file here, firstly the link of that file will be shortened automatically with the help of Bitlink, and then the short URL and even the long URL data will be collected into our spreadsheet. And this automation is possible with the Pabbly Connect. And to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if your data is not getting captured in real time, don't worry about that. You'll have to wait for at least 10 minutes, because the trigger here is actually the polling based. Okay, just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into my description box. Simply click on this particular link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and you will be able to access the very same workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.